Why Agile is better than Waterfall. Hello and welcome to today's video where we will compare two of the most popular project management methodologies, Agile and Waterfall. Now, if you are like me, who has transitioned from the traditional Waterfall model to the dynamic world of Agile, you are in for a treat. Today, we are going to explore why Agile is better than Waterfall and how this shift can revolutionize the way we approach projects when I was a project manager using the Waterfall model. Now picture this, a meticulously planned project with a step-by-step approach. Each phase is dependent on the completion of the previous one, a seamlessly foolproof method, right? However, as the project progressed, it became clear that changes were inevitable, and adapting to them was challenging and sometimes even impossible. Enter Agile game changer in the project management world. My journey from Waterfall to Agile was like going from a static painting to a dynamic and evolving masterpiece. I witnessed firsthand the power of adaptability and collaboration that Agile brings to project management. Now let's dive into the specifics. The Waterfall model is a linear, sequential approach, and it's excellent for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes expected. However, in the fast-paced, ever-changing business landscape, it falls short. Agile, on the other hand, thrives in uncertainty. Its iterative and incremental nature allows for continuous improvement and adaptation. The key principles of Agile collaboration, customer feedback, and flexibility makes it a superior choice for projects with evolving requirements. Now let's break down some key advantages of Agile over Waterfall. Number 1, adaptability. Agile embraces change rather than resisting it. It allows teams to adjust and pivot based on customer feedback and evolving priorities. Number 2, customer involvement. Agile promotes continuous customer involvement throughout the project, ensuring that the end of the project meets or exceeds expectations. Early delivery of value. Agile focuses on delivering a minimum viable product, MVP, early in the project, providing tangible value to stakeholders sooner. Continuous improvement. Throughout regular retrospectives, Agile encourages teams to reflect on their process and find ways to improve, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Agile allows teams to deliver a prototype and improve it every cycle. Agile supports regular and collaborative troubleshooting. Agile helps teams and individuals effectively prioritize features and work in general so that teams can make quick course corrections based on stakeholders' feedback or market demand. Now let's see 7 reasons why Agile is better than Waterfall. Speed to market. Agile lets you get your concept to your users as quickly as possible. During every sprint, an Agile project delivers something valuable. At any point, you may determine you want to launch what has been delivered and start building a user base or testing your hypothesis. Flexibility. Agile is based on the accommodation change. Software projects consistently change. As the product comes to life or the market expands, you should be able to react and update the product accordingly. Risk management. Incremental releases means that the product can be used early in the process by stakeholders and users, and this lets you identify issues and features deficit early in the process. Being adaptable to change means it isn't a problem to change the scope midway through the project, something that would be impossible in a waterfall-style project, or maybe you would need to ask for an expensive change request. Cost control. Unlike a fixed budget project, Agile is flexible concerning scope. More often than not, Users realize features they originally requested are no longer necessary, and this allows them to launch sooner and pay less. Agile isn't about paying a lot of uncertainty. It's about paying for only what you need. So need to stick within a budget? No problem. We can rearrange product backlog so that critical new features are implemented at the expense of less important features, not your budget. Quality. Agile integrates testing throughout the process. Consistently delivering tested software means higher overall quality and less time spent on quality assurance of the full application. And right product. Incremental releases let you test your product early and often. Even if you don't release it to the public, it's much easier to locate flaws and things that can be improved when you have an actual product to play with versus a series of designs. Transparency. Agile lets you see, feel, and use the product consistently throughout the project development cycle. And you don't see things in separate silos. You see how things work together. Okay, now that we have covered the why, let's talk about the how. To successful implementation Agile, you need the right set of resources. From team members to project management books, courses, to collaborative platforms. And these tools can make or break your Agile transformation. So check out the links in the description for some of the best resources I've available. Now, before we go on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got more exciting content on project management, Agile methodologies, and much more coming your way. In the next video, we'll talk about demystifying Scrum products, your path to product successful unveiled. So the shift from Waterfall to Agile is not just a change in methodology, it's a shift in mindset. Agile adaptability, customer-centric approach, and continuous improvement makes it a superior choice for modern projects. While Waterfall has its place in certain scenarios, embracing Agile and Scrum can revolutionize the way we approach and deliver projects. Thank you for joining me on this journey today, and I'm excited to hear your experiences with Agile and Waterfall in the comments below. Until next time, stay agile and stay innovative. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.